Hi, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a website like this absolutely free. Using this website, you can add beautiful backgrounds to your screenshots, adjust the aspect ratio and so much more. Plus, I will show you how to get free hosting and a free custom domain. I will also teach you how to get this tool for free and even how to make money online with it. Let's begin with the website. Sign up to odoo.com and create your free website. Fill in your details and give your website a name and click start now. On the next screen, skip the next steps and start from scratch. Choose any theme you want and the website is being set up. This is the home page where we will add our image editor. Go to edit option and look for embed code block. Drag and drop it here to add to the page. Click edit. Here we can enter our image editor code which we are going to generate with the help of DeepSeek. Here you have to provide a detailed prompt to create what you want. I have my prompt ready, so I will just copy and paste it here. This is quite complex prompt, so I will use DeepSeek R1 with this prompt. Then continue. It's thinking and after some time it has started creating the code. It has given me 3 different codes, so I will ask it again to combine the code. Hey, I don't understand coding. Can you please combine all 3 files in one HTML file and give me full updated code so I can copy it and paste it inside an embed code block. Copy the code and paste it inside embed code block. Save it and see the result. Save all the changes and now we need to test all the features. If we find anything not working, we will try to fix it with the help of AI again. Let's try to upload an image. Uploaded successfully. Let's try other features. Gradient working fine. Aspect ratio, let's change it to landscape. Again working fine. Padding, nothing happening, we need to fix it. Next, image radius, it's working and background radius is also working. Let's check the buttons at the bottom. Seems like canvas and the footer are messed up and we need to fix it. Hey, canvas is interfering with the footer, please fix it. Now copy the code and repeat the previous steps again. Go to edit, click on the canvas and then edit. Now replace the previous code with the new code. Save the code and save all the changes. And now this time you can see the bottom ribbon is fixed. Now to improve this tool further, you have to test it thoroughly. If you detect any issue, fix it with the help of AI. You can also ask AI to add more features. After few iterations, you should be able to create the tools like this. In 5-6 iterations, I got the final code. Let's see how it works. To keep the interface clean, let me hide the header from the theme. And delete the footer because it's not adding anything here. Now it looks good. Let's upload an image. You can update the gradient manually. Aspect ratio you can change from here. Padding slider is working fine. Image radius and background radius both working good. Here are other features you can use. Let's apply a blur. Increase the blur intensity a bit. By default, rectangle shape is selected. You can also choose a circle to apply a circular blur. Blur tool is really useful to hide any confidential information on the image. Undo, redo buttons are working well. Download the image here and reset to make a fresh start. Everything is working fine and the beautifier is ready to make your screenshots beautiful. I will share a link in the description so you can use it for free, and if you need the code you have to ask in the comment section. If you like it, you can have it. Now it's time to apply for your free custom domain. Go to my databases, click the gear icon and go to domain names. I already got one myself, so I can't get another one, but I can show you the process from my previous video clip. You can either use your own domain or apply for a free domain name. Search for your desired domain name. Odoo provide not only the domain but also unlimited free hosting, so you can make your website absolutely free. Then select it if it's available. You will need to fill in your details on the next screen and hit register. Congratulations, an agent will review your request, and if everything is in order, you will receive your free domain name. To make money from your site, you need to sign up for an ad distribution network like Google AdSense or AdSterra. But before doing that, you need to make sure your site has a consistent traffic so that when they review, your site will have a higher chance of approval. To attract more visitors to your site, you have to do proper SEO to get some organic traffic. Keep working on your site, add more advanced features, make it more user friendly, and offer something people really care about. If you use all these tactics, you can grab a significant traffic on your site to get monetized. That's all for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also tell me what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.